Exercise 2.1 sixth problem. Find the central angle of each of the sectors whose measures are given below. Pi value is equal to 22 by 7. First problem, area equal to 462 centimeter square. Radius is equal to 21 centimeter. Second problem, length of the arc equal to 44 meter. Radius equal to 35 meter. For this is the first problem, area is given. For this problem, we have to use sector formula, area of the sector formula. We have two formulas, that is one is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Another one, area of the sector LR by 2. So that is which is suitable here. We want to find the central angle theta. So you have to use the formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. For this problem, length of the arc and radius is given. So you have to use the formula length of the arc or arc length formula. Then you have to find the value of theta. First you write given. What are the things given in the question? Area of the sector, that is 462 centimeters square. Then radius also given. Radius equal to 21 centimeter. We want to find theta. Write the related formula theta degree by 360 degree into pi r square square units. For it is theta is unknown value, so take that theta by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 21. R value is 21, that is square is there, so 21 into 21, 2 times radius. Now that is radius is r square is there, so 21 into 21 equal to given area is 462. So theta degree we want to find. So remaining all the values you have to transpose to right hand side, then you have to make cancel. That is first already in the left hand side we have 462 into this division become multiplication. It is 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. 21 is become 1 by 21. For this also 1 by 21. Now you have to make cancel. I am used here first. It is 2 table is used, that is 11 times 22. Then 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 1 2 is 2. Then I am used a 11th table one time. For here 2 times 22 balance 1. Then 1 11 is 11. So again this 21 and this 21 make cancel. Then 7th table 1 time 3 7s are 21. Then 3 table 1 time 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6 0. So after cancelling we have in the numerator 120, denominator 1. So that is equal to 120. Theta equal to 120 degree. Theta degree equal to 120 degree. Central angle equal to 120 degree. Second question, length of arc L is equal to 44 meter. Radius is equal to 55 meter. We want to find theta. For arc length formula, L is equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. For theta by 360 into 2, pi value is given as 22 by 7 into 55 equal to 44. So now you have to transpose all these values to right hand side. So that is 44 into 360 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 55. Then you have to make cancel. For it is first 22 table 1 time, 2 time, then this 2 to cancel. Then 5th table used, 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5, 7 5s are 35, balance 1, 10, 2 5s are 10. After cancelling we have in the numerator 72 into 7 by 11. You have to make multiple these two, that is 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 7 7s are 49 plus 1 50 by 11. So this you have to make a normal division. That normal division you know, that is 4 times 44 balance is 6. Then bring down the next digit, that is 5 11s are 55. Subtract this, it is 9. So after that no digit is there, so you make a decimal, then write 0. 8 times 88 balance 2. It is 20. 1 time 11. But then at least 2 decimal places you have to find, that is enough. That is 45.81. So theta equal to 45.8 degree. Theta equal to, so central angle equal to 45.8. Now 7th question. A circle of radius 120 meter is divided into 8 equal sectors. Find the length of arc of each of the sector. For it is equal sectors, it is n. The number of equal sector is denoted by n. For n is given, we have to use the formula 1 by n into for it is length of the arc they are asked. So 2 pi r. 1 by n into 2 pi r. The formula already given to you. For the 7th question, what are the things given? Radius equal to 120 meter. Number of equal sectors, that is denoted by n, equal to 8. Length of arc L equal to 1 by n into 2 pi r units. So the values you no need to substitute. Suppose you are substituting the value, you get a decimal values. So you no need to substitute the values for pi value. For like that problem, just you take it as a pi. So that is 1 by n is 8 into 2 into the pi value, just take and write. R value is 120. For 8th table 1 time, it is 15 time. After cancelling, we have 2 into pi into 15. 2 into 15, 30 into pi. 30 pi meter. This is enough. You no need to substitute the value for pi value 22 by 7 or 3.14. Directly you take it as pi. So the length of the arc equal to 30 pi meter. For 8th question, a circle of radius 70 centimeter is divided into 5 equal sectors. Find the area of each of the sectors. We want to find area. Previous problem, we found length of the arc. So area, for when the equal sector, number of equal sector is given, we have to use the formula 1 by n into pi r square. So here r equal to 70 centimeter, n equal to 8. Then we have to substitute in the formula. Given r equal to 70 centimeter, number of equal sectors n equal to 5. Area of the sector 1 by n into pi r square units. N is 5. 1 by 5 into pi value into 70 into 70. Make cancel. 1 5 is 5. 14 time. It is 70. So after cancelling, we have pi into 14 into 70. 14 into 70, directly you make cancel. 4 7s are 28. Balance to 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 2 9. The 0 at the end, right at the last digit. So 980 pi square centimeter. So the area of the sector equal to 980 pi square meter. Sorry, square centimeter. What unit is given? You have to use that unit here, centimeter. Square centimeter. 9th question. Damu fixes the square tiles of a 30 centimeter on the floor. The tile has a sector design on it as shown in the figure. Find the area of the sector. So see, this is listen this picture. It is a square shape. It has a one sector design. So it is a sector means, you know, it is enclosed with 2 radii and circumference arc length. So it is a sector. So for this sector area, we want to find this area. We want to find. So how you have to find? We need radius. For side is given. This is 30. This is 30. This is 30. So radius means, you know, here to here and here to here. This is the radius. So area radius is equal to 30. We have to use the formula for the area of the sector. First you write given side of a square equal to 30 centimeter. This implies the side is considered as a radius. So for radius equal to 30 centimeter, for this is the radius for this sector. So area of the quadrant formula you have to write 1 by 4 into pi r square units. So you have to substitute the values 1 by 4 into pi value given in the question 3.14 into r value 30 into 30. You have to make cancel. First 2 table, 1 2 is 2 2s are 4, 15 times, 1 2 is to 15. So 15 into 15 into 3.14 you have to make multiple. So that is for 706.50. So that is 706.50 centimeter square. So that is 706.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of the quadrant. For this 10th question, a circle is formed with 8 equal granite stone as shown in the figure, each of radius 56 centimeter and whose central angle is 45 degree. Find the area of each granite stone. The pi value 22 by 7. For now you observe this picture. For closely you have to observe. For it is equally divided into 8 parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n equal to 8. Theta equal to 45 degree. Then the equal parts are already given in the question also. R equal to 56 centimeter. For when the divided parts are given, equally divided parts are given, we have to use the formula 1 by n into pi r square. Given number of equal sector is 8, r equal to 56 centimeter, theta equal to 45 degree. When the number of equal sector is given, we have to use this formula. Area of a sector equal to 1 by n into pi r square units, that is 1 by 8 into pi value given in the question, that is 22 by 7 into r value is 56 into 56. So first you have to make cancel. 1 7 is 7, 8 7s are 56, then 8 cancel. After cancelling we have 22 into 56. You have to make multiple, that is 1232. So area of the sector equal to 1232 square centimeter.